So then one of my friends who was running my website, he told me about Odoo. With Odoo, it is like the natural sales process.
Yeah.
The natural sales process is not very complicated. Simple thing, you make a quote, you get a PO, make a sales order.
We have Maninder sir from Precision Bearing and would like to have an interaction with him. How was his experience, and after coming to Odoo Community Days, how did he felt and how was his experience using Odoo? So hello sir, how was your experience in Odoo Community Days? It's a huge event, first time we have done in India. So this is the second day. So how did you felt about the event?
It's great that the new version is being pre-launched in India. So that's huge.
Good.
And the amount of people who are attending, it's like a sea of people. Okay. If I'm not wrong, must be around 20,000 people.
10,000 unique footfalls were there, and we had a registration around 41,000 unique registrations were there. Unique footfall were 10,000 plus.
And there were some other like seminars also which were going parallel.
Yeah,
they were great to attend.
Yeah. So we have the second day as well of learning, of experience. Just wanted to know a little background of your industry, of your company, and after then we'll proceed further with how did you choose Odoo.
My company's name is Precision Bearing House. We are an industrial automation company, started by my grandfather, and my son is also in the business, so we are kind of quite an old entity. Before Odoo, we were using a number of softwares to run our business. I think for accounting, we were using Tally. For inventory, we were using Google Sheets. Our e-commerce website was running on Magento. And we were using Trello for project management. And you know, none of these software were able to talk to each other. So there were multiple entries, multiple people had to be employed to do multiple entries. So then one of my friends who was running my website, he told me about Odoo. And then I contacted in 2019, I contacted the sales people. December, I visited Gandhinagar. So it really suited my requirement. By Jan, we were already in the process of implementation. And blessing in disguise, there was a lockdown. So all the lockdown, I was doing nothing but I was on Zoom call with onboarding team.
The onboarding team, yeah.
And lockdown too, I think I utilized totally to build my e-commerce website. I shifted from Magento to
Odoo.
That I did totally myself.
Oh, great. So you are a partial consultant itself. We can say, yes, definitely. So what all modules firstly you started with? Now
we started, the core thing is sales process, inventory. These were the core things that we started, but we gradually, now we are even on the Knowledge app, which is a very good app, very similar to Notion, and very useful.
Definitely. So currently, first phase of implementation is over, and now mostly we'll be moving to the second phase. So what all other applications would you like to integrate more?
HR is next on the our list, that HR needs to be implemented.
In the current implementation side. Okay. And how was the experience of your team after using utilization of Odoo, and what was the results you found after?
I forgot one software which we were also using. It was Zoho. We were using Zoho CRM, and all my team they always resisted working on it. It is more of a menace, time waste. Why are you telling us to do? With Odoo, it is like the natural sales process. The natural sales process is not very complicated. Simple thing, you make a quote, you get a PO, make a sales order, make an invoice, and do the inventory thing.
Yes.
So, end of the story.
Definitely.
And in Odoo, the learning curve isn't there. It is natural.
Natural, yes, definitely. It's user friendly.
And there are small things which you, as a marketing people, you don't advertise it much, but for us, it is a big problem solver. That at every point you have a file upload button. That clip button is there.
Yes.
You know how much it solves everything.
Definitely.
Our one quote becomes our one project hub. For that particular quote, we can put all. What we do is we send the quote. If we receive the PO, we put the PO there.
Definitely, yeah.
We put the other customer instructions there. Then once it is dispatched, we even put the dispatch docket there. Invoice and other inventory is already there. So that becomes one micro hub.
Yes, definitely. So each in Odoo, a subscription is a project. So previously what we used to do, sales order and everything was different. But now after 17, we have done sales order as well as the sales app as well as the subscription app the same.
Yeah.
So once the sales order is done, you can directly create the subscription and everything can be logged. Everything can be kept on the same site. So would also like to know more about the implementation and onboarding. How was your experience in implementation?
See, one thing is that we were doing certain things which we, migrated and kept on doing. There are certain things which were a problem area for us. We are into custom manufacturing.
Okay.
And our SKUs are over like 5,000.
Oh, great.
And none of it was systematic. Now, after coming to Odoo, what we do is we specifically allot a unique part number to a particular thing that we receive from our customer.
Okay.
So that becomes a unique product. In that, we put all the BOM. We even interacted with our customers. We offered them that on your behalf, we will standardize whatever you're getting it manufactured from us. We did all that, and now everything is channelized. It is
fine.
It is like they know, even we have even channelized or systemized their process.
Definitely.
In this.
So indirectly they are also using Odoo. Definitely. So would want a rating from your end, that how would you rate from 1 to 10 that our product, how is the product and the implementation as well as the customer success team, how did they help you, and what was your experience with the rating?
I think I'll give one more comment before I answer that. That is, in the last 2.5 years, the support team is creating magic. Recently, there was a ticket. I had to move to a new payment gateway. I was moving to Razorpay. There was I think 2 or 3 issues. I raised a ticket. Same day, I received a reply with the complete solution along with 4 videos how to.
Definitely. So that's the change.
So you can't even rate that from on a scale of 1 to 10. If your problem is solved, it is way beyond 10.
That's a great gesture for us.
It is way beyond 10.
Definitely. So with this community day event, we would like to share that you have more learnings and new version is also going to come. So we'll also like to have your suggestions for and feedbacks. So what would you expect from the new version, and what are the basic things you want that currently which is not there in this version but you would like to have in 18 as well?
Right now the phone app is more of a web app which we are using on the phone. I would like to have a dedicated mobile app which we can work on maybe iPad or iPhone or any Android phone. That would, what I mean is there should be more buttons than scroll downs.
Okay. Because currently the app which is...
It is more of a web version which we are using. If we can, it works. There is no problem. But after this, there should be a dedicated
app. Definitely. So we'll take it
that is on my wish list.
Definitely. So we'll take it as a feedback. And thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure.
And we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.